remember signing up to this when I joined Auto Express. Hey, now we all know that SUVs are very popular at the moment. But here at Auto Express, we think it's a bit of a shame that a lot of them aren't used to their full capabilities. I mean, the idea behind an SUV is you load it with stuff and you go on an adventure. So that's what we're doing today in this. The new Nissan X-Trail. Now it's got an electrified e-Power powertrain, it's got e-Force all-wheel drive and enough space for all my stuff. Oh, it includes a kayak. Lovely.
Right, to begin with, we have brought the X-Trail to the rather stunning Holy Island, a place that you can only access when the tides are out for a spot of kayaking. If you didn't know, I'm actually a prolific kayaking expert along with my day job at Auto Express. Yeah, so this X-Trail's 485-litre boot comes in very handy indeed. Things aren't going exactly to plan though. You see, Holy Island is absolutely gorgeous, but I may have underestimated the gale force winds out here. Whoops.
Can we go to like a lake or something that's not gonna be as windy as this? We'll take the X-Trail and do like a road trip and go to a lake or something. Greg, can you help me take it back down?
Ah, looks like we'll be loading all this gear back into the X-Trail. Right. Brilliant. Look, no matter, this is a perfect opportunity to take the X-Trail on a proper hardcore adventure. Holy Island is out in the North Sea, but about 200 miles away on the other side of the Pennines, there's a perfect kayaking spot which might not be so windy. Lake Windermere. I'm fully aware that there's wind in the name, but fingers crossed. And to get there, I'll be taking the X-Trail on an epic trip across the country to put Nissan's rugged SUV to good use. We'll be using a mix of roads along the way, but if we need to venture off the beaten track, we will. Let's crack on.
Okay. Right, while I get my breath back from the wind before we head off to the lake, let me talk you through the interior. Okay, so we got two screens here, two 12.3-inch screens. You got the infotainment here, and this is your digital instrument cluster. They're both very nice and easy to understand. You've got wireless charging. Storage is fantastic. All the snacks you can store in here. So you've got an extra little bit down there, look. Then you've got a little butterfly opening there, and that's actually quite deep. Lovely. Oh, and plus, if we didn't have the kayak and all the equipment, etc. in the boot, you can actually open the rear seats upwards if you want 7 seats in here to get all the family in. Okay, should we go to the lake? Come on then. Right. Look at that view though. It's amazing. I'll tell you what really helps. We've got a 10.8-inch head-up display that also has your nav information. So I don't have to take my eyes off the road. I don't have to look down at a screen. It's just there and I can take in the scenery at the same time. Stunning. So this Nissan X-Trail uses an e-Power powertrain. So what that means is it's got a 1.5 variable compression petrol engine. Now that combines with a small battery, and those power the 2 electric motors, so it makes 210 brake horsepower. Now the engine never directly powers the wheels, so it actually makes for a much smoother driving experience. It's really smooth, this. Like, to get here, it was like a 6-hour journey. I did not get a numb bum, not once. Fantastic. Okay, this is a really cute little town. Actually, while we're driving around town, I can tell you about the e-pedal step function. So you press the button, and then as the car slows down, it regenerates energy back into the battery. And it's so good for driving around town because it feels, well, not only is it more efficient, but it just makes driving a breeze because you're almost using one pedal most of the time. It's great. Now, when when you want to build up speed in this Nissan X-Trail, like you're on the motorway, you want to overtake someone, for example, the petrol engine fires up and feeds energy into the battery. It's all very clever. And when you're on the motorway itself, the Pro Pilot Assist with NaviLink will maintain a set distance with the car in front and will also keep you right in the middle of your lane. So it's like effortless, easy breezy driving. I like that. Right, now we've got 5 different drive modes, so we're going to put it on off-road as we're heading off-road. There's also eco and sport, etc. But no, the off-road mode is exactly what we need for right now. So there are 2 electric motors. There's one on each axle, so we do have 4-wheel drive, so it's kind of perfect for this. Now the e-force system reacts up to 10,000 times a second. And it's constantly adapting to like slippery surfaces, tricky terrain. So again, this is bang on for this. This is interesting. Okay, no, we're fine, we're fine. I mean, it's handling it pretty well, isn't it? That is a massive puddle. You know, we see a massive puddle, you just don't know how deep it is, but I'm just gonna have to go straight through it. Oh my God. Go. Amazing. I'm so impressed with that. Yay! Oh, well done, X-Trail. And that wall's fallen down. That's never a good sign, is it? Shall I just keep going? I'm just going to keep going. And then eventually we'll end up at Lake Windermere, is the hope. We've done it! We're here! Lake Windermere! Well played, Nissan X-Trail. Got me here safely, lovely, lovely. And also it's much calmer out there, isn't it? It's not as windy. So I can actually take the kayak out this time. Okay. Much better. I also just realised that I've got to inflate the kayak again. That's fine. It's fine. Right. Let's do it. Okay. Too late. And a pump. Good. Oh, it's deep! Give me a little push-up or something, Greg. Yay! Bye! Oh, mind the tree! Mind the tree! Take her to the gun show, anyone?